Today we're looking at the Aiphone JV series video intercom kit, so let's see what's inside. Here we have an outdoor station with a wide-angle camera. Next is a 7-inch indoor monitor. Last but not least, we have the power supply that will connect to the indoor monitor that will power up the outdoor station using only 2 wires. Let's get to it. Alright, so for starting the installation, the first cable we're going to use is the 2-wire cable. So you turn them back, you access the A1, A2 for the door, and you start connecting. Now that the first cable is connected, we're going to use the second cable. This one is for the power supply and the indoor monitor. So this way your whole system will be powered up. Now that your solution is connected, all is needed to do is power up your system. Power cable from your power supply. Alright, and now let's see how it works. I ring the doorbell. I look at my beautiful self. As you can see, this is a 7-inch monitor. Here we have a wide-angle camera, so you're able to see a whole lot in front of the screen. The backlit right here that we mentioned before. And if you open the door, and let's go inside the main menu. As I mentioned before, also you have the memory picture right here. So when you click on it, you're able to capture a picture of what happened in front of your doorbell. So you're able to see who was there even if you weren't home. So everything is stored inside your indoor monitor. This is the JV series from Aiphone. This is an easy to install kit, an easy solution for any kind of video and intercom installation you need.